शेनवारा चिंचणी हांगा मिस्टर अँड मिसेस वेळ्ळी बॉडी बिल्डिंग सर्त जाली। हे सर्तीक लागून वेळ्ळीक 2024 वर्साचे जैतिवंत मेळ्ळे। अमित तळेकारान सर्त जिखली जाल्यार ऑलिव्हिया कुतिनो हिका बायलांची फिजिक चॅम्पियन म्हूण मुकुट फावो जालो। बॉडी बिल्डिंग सर्तीत उंचेल्या पावंड्यावेल्या सर्तकांनी वांटो घेतलो। राज्यांतल्या बॉडी बिल्डरांनी आपले शारीरिक बळगे आनी सौंदर्यात्मक आकर्षण दाखयले। दादल्यांच्या फिजिकात नामवंत सावंत हाका चॅम्पियन जाल्यार आकाश मुळगावकार हांनी क्लासिक बॉडी बिल्डिंग करंड जिखलो। एकंदर सर्तीत सुभाष आमोणकार आनी दिनेश गोवेकार अशे 2 जैतिवंत जाले। तशेंच हे सर्तीक लागून गोंयाक पयले राज्य पावंड्या वयली बायलांची फिजिक चॅम्पियन मेळ्ळी।
Sports is something we all like, and there were times when we were not where we should have been, being such a large population in India or in Goa for that matter, when we are known for sports. But we have seen recently at the national games how many medals we got and how we are moving up in that same trajectory of growth in the sports arena. I am more than happy that a bodybuilding competition of this size is taking place here. Once again, hearty congratulations. Bodybuilding is not a small joke. They have to be disciplined. They have to have a good diet. They have to be dedicated. Maybe there are only few winners, but all are winners, I say, even those who have not won, not among the 5, because they have put in a lot of hard work to reach that level. Your being here, participating here itself makes you a winner and makes you more a winner, because seeing their bodies, seeing their fitness, as rightly said by Prisco, instead of whiling away the time in unwanted places, as you know, some of the youth, it happens to them, they will also try to be good bodybuilders, be disciplined, have a good diet, work out in the gym and elsewhere. A fit youth is a fit nation. A fit youth is the future of tomorrow. You should remember it. And it is through these competitions that you get an opportunity to showcase where your hard work has been, which field you have been working, how many hours of workouts have been there. And that is what our bodybuilders have shown. Hearty congratulations to all of you, in fact.
Babas किती तो सगळे पार्टिसिपंट ना गोय कित्याक तुम्ही जाय तो हार्ड वर्क केलो आसतलो, जाय तो तुम्ही टाइम दिवपा पडटा, ती जाय ते डिसिप्लिन जाय, जाय तो तुम्ही डायटूय कंट्रोल करपा पडटा। सो सोगट्यांक पार्टिसिपेट जाले तांकां प्राइज मेळ्ळाय, तांकां प्राइज मेळ्ळाय तांकांय कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन, आनी तुमचे हार्ड वर्क मुखार वचचे आनी नॅशनल इव्हेंट जायते जातले। हांगा पिसफूल नेक्स्ट इयर हांगा करतलो आनी सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीकय जातले।
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीष परब आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार।